For centuries, India was known as a land of magic and mysticism. My uncle was an Indian magician, and my grandfather was a Hindu priest. A few years ago, I began a magical quest to explore the roots of Indian magic and to learn how it influenced magic all around the world. What did I find in India? I found a whole hidden world of magicians of all types. Ancient masters of the art, young apprentices, mysterious street magicians, colorful stage magicians, traditional and modern magicians, Western and Indian magicians, mind readers, musicians, illusionists, and even a magic clown from Mumbai. These people opened their hearts to me and showed me the true secrets of Indian magic, and it changed the course of my life. Join me on a fabulous journey to explore the secrets of Indian magic.